Simplex 4001 conventional fire alarm control panel. The Simplex 29019038. And that's a Simplex 4003 9102 light plate. Simplex smoke detector up here's the one. This looks like an interesting one. This looks like a Wheelock MT4 on a 4003 light plate. This must have replaced a Simplex horn. Never seen these. There's an exit sign for those exit sign fans. Look over here. We got a Simplex 4251 21L because this is a local alarm. There's another one down that hallway. I forgot to show you the one. Now this could be an EL1 or an MT4. They have the same body. Over here is this Simplex 4251 21L. Wheelock AS outside.